Good morning, students.
Nice walking style, sir.
Thank you, kiddo. And today we are going to talk about your wishes and what will you do to become happy.
Sir, I will be happy when I am playing games.
Sir, I will be happy when others are happy.
That is very good, Gautam.
Sir, I feel happy when me and Gautam go on an adventure trip to the Thar Desert.
Oh, you want to go to Thar Desert? You can go when you grow up. Okay, kids. Time's up. Bye. Bye bye, everyone. I'm continuing to walk in my walking style.
Thank
you,
you,
sir. Do you really think we can go to the Thar Desert when we grow up?
Yes, Gautam, for sure.
Okay then. Bye, Vijay.
Bye, Gautam. Today I played so many games, but I didn't get a single lottery. Oh yes, I won a lottery to Rajasthan. I will tell Gautam about this news. He will be surprised as our dream to go to Thar Desert is going to be fulfilled now. Hello Gautam.
Oh, Tom and Jerry is so funny. Hello? Yes, Vijay. Tell me. Oh, really? You won a ticket to Rajasthan? It's going to be so cool. Then let's go to Thar Desert. Yeah, let's meet near the cafe.
Hello Gautam.
Hi, Vijay. I packed my bag for the trip. By the way, how are we going to Rajasthan?
We are going to go by the train. By the way, I noticed that you wore the same dress as you wore in the second grade.
Yes, you also wore the same dress as you wore in the second grade.
This is a sign that our trip is going to be awesome.
Then let's go.
Yeah, let's go. By the way, we will walk in the style of our Sir Deadpool as he walked in the second grade. What do you say?
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Let's walk that way. The journey is nice.
Yes, bro. Finally, we reached Rajasthan. See, I am walking in the Deadpool Sir style.
But now, how will we go to the Thar Desert?
We'll ask that uncle.
Uncle, how can we go to the Thar Desert from here?
You can take my car. It's over there.
Thank you so much, uncle.
But how will we go in the car, bro?
Don't be sad. I know how to drive. I will drive the car.
But can you drive perfectly?
Don't you trust me, bro?
I trust you, bro. Let's go in the car.
Yes, then let's go.
Uncle, which direction is this cafe to the Thar Desert?
This is in the north direction, child.
Thank you, Uncle. You are driving so perfectly, bro.
I know, bro. I learned it last year.
See, bro, I can see the deserts over there.
They are looking super cool, bro.
Nice song, bro.
Yes, bro, it is Rockwell. You all can listen to this song in YouTube audio library.
Why did you stop the car in the middle of the desert, bro?
Cause this trip should be like adventure. Walking and finding out a way will be so cool.
Why will this be cool, bro?
Cause we can say in the class about our adventure. Don't you trust me?
I do trust you, bro.
Then let's go. The climate is very hot.
Yes, bro.
But still, we will not stop our journey over here. Let's go.
High five, bro.
I am very hungry, bro. Do you have anything to eat?
I don't have anything to eat, bro.
See, bro, we entered a new type of desert.
Yeah, bro. I am very tired, bro.
Me too, bro. Do you have water?
Yes, bro. 1 minute, I'll take it out. am checking, bro. I did not bring water bottle also, bro. Fine then, let's go. Bro, we are lost, bro.
No, bro, I'll find out a way.
I am feeling very sweaty in this hot climate.
Me too.
This was all because of you.
No,
I said
bro.
you that time only to just roam in the car and go back. Now we are lost in a desert, bro, because of you.
I shouldn't have hit him. What is he doing by sitting on the sand? Let's check. Let me also see what he wrote. Today my best friend slapped me. But still, I won't talk to him.
It's been 7 hours since we are roaming in this desert, bro. This is all because of you only.
Please, don't start this again.
Okay.
Let's try to find an oasis for a water.
See, bro, there is water over there.
Really?
Let's go, bro. Let's refresh ourselves.
Yes, of course. Water is so cool. By the way, where is Gautam?
Help!
I can hear his voice. He is over there. Why is he going over there? Let's go and check what he is writing over there. Today, my best friend saved my life. I observed that you wrote, today my best friend slapped me on the sand, and now, today my best friend saved my life. Why?
I wrote this when you slap me as when someone hurts us, we should write it down in sand where winds of forgiveness can erase it away, as you are seeing on the sand. We all need to forgive because if we do not forgive, there will be a feeling of grudge inside us, which will not give us peace of mind. So I am trying to spread this message of forgiveness and let everyone have a peace of mind. That's why I forgave you and had a peace of mind. Or else I would have a grudge on you to take revenge and no peace of mind. So this is the best medicine for having peace of mind.
I now understood the value of forgiveness. Thank you for letting me know the value of forgiveness, Gautam. From now onwards, I will forgive everyone.
You know what? You learned the value of forgiveness from the desert winds example.
What desert winds?
Desert winds is nothing but you learn the value of forgiveness in desert and the winds of forgiveness which I told you about. If we combine these both, it will become desert winds.
Nice. You know what? I saw the compass near the palm tree.
Oh really? That will help us find our way out. I found the compass. I think the compass fell from my pocket when I was drowning in the water. Let's check the direction. Let's go then. We should go in that direction. As said by the shopkeeper when we met him in the morning.
Hey animator, you know what? When we were in the red colored desert in the evening, I felt like a cowboy. Can you please take us once more to the background? Hey, thank you animator. Can you play that cowboy theme song? This cowboy theme is so awesome. Thank you so much, animator. And then, you know what? We went to the Sahara Desert.